I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Candy Crush on your laptop. First, you'll need to decide how you want to access the game. You can easily find it on the Microsoft Store if you're using Windows, or play directly through Facebook in your web browser. Another great option is the official King.com website, which offers the game without needing a separate download. Just make sure your internet connection is stable and your browser is up to date for the best experience. It's a simple process to get started and enjoy the fun. Now let's dive into the core gameplay. The main goal is to match 3 or more identical candies, either horizontally or vertically, to make them disappear. When you match 4 candies, you create a striped candy, which clears an entire row or column. Matching 5 in an L or T shape gives you a wrapped candy, exploding a 2x2 area. Matching 5 in a straight line creates a color bomb, which can clear all candies of a chosen color. Each level presents unique objectives, so always keep an eye on what you need to achieve. To truly master Candy Crush, consider these advanced strategies. Always look for opportunities to combine special candies. For instance, combining a striped and a wrapped candy creates a huge explosion, clearing 3 rows and 3 columns. Try to plan your moves 2 or 3 steps in advance, thinking about how each match will affect the board. Often, making matches at the bottom of the screen can cause a cascade, leading to unexpected and beneficial chain reactions. These tactics will significantly improve your chances of success. Finally, let's talk about troubleshooting and enjoying the game. If you experience any technical difficulties like the game not loading or crashing, first try clearing your browser's cache or, if using an app, reinstalling it. Always ensure your internet connection is strong and stable, and that your operating system or browser is fully updated. Most importantly, remember to have fun. Some levels can be quite challenging, so don't be afraid to take a break and come back with a fresh perspective. Enjoy crushing those candies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.